Question 13. How to calculate the number of SMP authenticated user? Answer. SMP 2.63 authentication calculates the number of online users. It has nothing to do with the total number of created users, the number of allowed login times, and the type of the used client. For example, if you purchase 50 licenses, 50 concurrent online users are allowed. Question 14. Does an SMP QR code user occupy the license? Answer. A SMP QR code user occupies the license. Question 15. How to synchronize the passwords if the SMP is integrated with AD domain server? Answer. On SMP 2.65 and earlier versions, the function learn new user's password during authentication is enabled by default. Each time when an AD domain user is authenticated, the user password is checked in the AD domain. The password will be saved locally if the password check is successful. When the communications between the SMP and the AD domain is faulty, the user password that is saved locally can be used for user authentication. If the local password of the SMP is changed, the password in the AD domain is not affected. Upon user authentication, the password will be checked in the AD domain and saved to the SMP locally. If the password in the AD domain is changed, the new password is checked in the AD domain when it is used for authentication and synchronized to the SMP. Given that Windows AD domain has a mechanism that can delay the expiration of the previous password, the previous password can still be used in a period of time after the AD domain password is changed. Question 16. How does an SMP perform authentication when SMP is integrated with multiple AD domains? Answer. Use the format domain name username or username at domain name to perform authentication in the designated domain. Question 17. What are the Keepalive configurations for SMP user in web authentication? Answer. Wired web authentication user. It is recommended to enable the online status detection function for a wired web authentication user. If the Keepalive page of successful authentication is turned off, the user is forced offline in 3 heartbeat periods. Choose authentication and authority greater than portal settings greater than heartbeat detection on web authenticated users. Serve your immediate needs with our foresight and trends. Wireless web authentication user. Enable traffic Keepalive on the AC as recommended. WS6108 config #offline detect interval 10 threshold 100. If the wireless data traffic is smaller than 100 bytes in 10 minutes, the wireless user is considered as offline. Question 18. Define application software. Answer. Application software consists of programs designed to perform specific tasks for users. Application software can be used as a productivity/business tool to assist with graphics and multimedia projects, to support home, personal, and educational activities, and to facilitate communications. Specific application software products, called software packages, are available from software vendors. Although application software also is available as shareware, freeware, and public domain software, these usually have fewer capabilities than retail software packages. Question 19. Understand how system software interacts with application software. Answer. System software consists of programs that control the operations of a computer and its devices. System software serves as the interface between a user, the application software, and the computer's hardware. One type of system software is the operating system. Before application software can be run, the operating system, which contains instructions that coordinate the activities among computer hardware devices, must be loaded from the hard disk into the computer's memory. Question 20. Identify the role of the user interface. Answer. The user interface controls how you enter data or instructions and how information displays on the computer screen. Many of today's software programs have a graphical user interface. A graphical user interface (GUI) combines text, graphics, and other visual images to make software easier to use. Question 21. Explain how to start a software application. Answer. Both the Microsoft Windows and the Apple Macintosh operating systems use the concept of a desktop. The desktop is an on-screen work area with common graphical elements such as icons, buttons, menus, links, windows, and dialog boxes. A software application can be started by clicking its program name on a menu or list of commands. Clicking the program name instructs the operating system to transfer the program's instructions from a storage medium into memory. Once started, the application displays in a window on the desktop. A window is a rectangular area of the screen that is used to show the program, data, and/or information. At the top of the window is a title bar that contains the window's name. Question 22. Describe the learning aids available with many software applications. Answer. Many software applications and websites provide learning aids. Online help is the electronic equivalent of a user manual, usually integrated into an application software package. Online help often is context sensitive, meaning that the help information is related to the current task being attempted. Most online help also provide links to websites that have a FAQs page. FAQs, frequently asked questions, supply answers to common queries. Many books are available to help you learn to use the features of a personal computer application package. A wizard is an automated assistant that helps complete a task by asking questions and then performing actions based on the answers. Question 23. Identify various products available as web applications. Answer. A web application is a software application that exists on a website. To access the web application, you visit the website that offers the program. Some web applications are free, for others, you pay for use, service, support, or when a certain action occurs. Web-based training, WBT, is a type of CBT, computer-based training, that uses internet technology. Many websites offer WBT to the general public. An application service provider, ASP, is a third-party organization that manages and distributes software and services on the web.